Statistics as of the 14th of this month, the July, we have just over 28,000 foreigners. Now that includes remand detainees as well as sentenced foreigners. And it's about half-half. 14,000 remand detainees and say 14,000 sentenced foreigners. Now, I said when I became the minister also that I want to send them back to their country of origin. Now, the good news is that just on Friday, I signed a memorandum of understanding with Namibia for interstate transfer of prisoners, offenders. We will send the Namibians from us to them and South Africans from them to us. This is the second MOU. We also, about in May this month, I also concluded a memorandum of agreement with Botswana. In the pipeline now, the next priority is with Zimbabwe.
No, that's the big fish. Eh?
That's a big fish. I mean, if you look at the foreign inmates, Zimbabwe is at the top. There are about, if you take sentence offenders, about 4,500 Zimbabweans. And then you go to Mozambique. There are about 3,500 in our facilities. Then you go to Lesotho. That's just about 2,300. And then it's Malawi. Malawi, they have about 2,000 inmates. So if you can do that, then you can reduce it. But the aim is to get all the SADC countries at least